Isa sa mga favorite procedures na ginawa ko is nose threads. Today, yun yung topic natin, what to expect, para saan ba siya, para kanino ba siya. Nose thread, so basically thread siya, sinulid siya, we will insert it here. Gumagawa kami ng small hole here, pataas. Pag pinasok natin tong thread dito sa bridge, ang magiging result, more contoured bridge, no? So in short, para kang naka-makeup. Tumataas siya, yung bridge mismo, mas nagiging defined. Mas nag-improve yung overall itsura ng nose. Dok, ayokong sobrang halata. Yun yung specialty ko. Less is more. Usually, I only put 2 to 3 of this thread. Pero barbed thread to makapal siya. 3, for me, on average, maganda na yung result. Pero kung gusto ng patient, sobrang obvious, I can put up to 5 or 6. Depende na sa patient. Ito yung most innovative thread. Ito naman yung new Misco. We insert it from here to here. O ganyan. Para yung tip natin gumanda. We combine bridge and tip when we do threads para overall gumanda yung nose. How long does it last? So here in the clinic, we use PCL barbed threads. So ang PCL, 2 years yan usually. Pero honestly, ako, more than 2 years na, I still see the effect. Bakit, Doc? Kasi not only yung thread nagpo-provide ng lifting effect, it also stimulates collagen over time. So ibig sabihin, paganda pa ng paganda yung result niya habang nandyan yung thread, habang natutunaw siya, gumagawa siya ng collagen. Other pros ng nose threads, no downtime. We call it a lunchtime nose job. Pwede kang bumalik sa work kung gusto mo right after the procedure. May konti lang swelling for a few days but very minimal pain then after the procedure. Last question, Doc, threads or fillers? Personally, I used to do fillers. I didn't like the results so much compared to threads with my patients. Bakit? So, yung filler, minsan gumagalaw talaga siya, no? So, minsan tumataba yung ilong. Kasi, remember guys, yung filler, it's semi-solid. So, medyo gel-like substance siya, medyo liquidy siya. So, minsan talaga, parang gumagalaw siya. So, si threads, it provides more structural support. Kasi nga solid siya, more architectural. Overall, mas gusto ko yung result mo. If you're interested sa nose threads and you have questions, then you can come visit us.